First, summary from what's the best way to give a presentation. This video explains about after finding a new idea. The next important step in preparing a presentation is choosing the right delivery plan, which are generally divided into two main options. Script tab. This option involves writing a complete script which instance read, memorize, or a combination of the two. For most speakers, writing and memorizing a script is the most powerful way to deliver their message. If you to memorize, you must practice until you progress through three key stages. Early stage. The talk is perceived but may be disorganized since it's not fully known by heart. The robot stage. The speaker stretches over remembering the word and sounds recited, often losing the connection to the meaning. Mystery stage. The speaker know the script so well that they can 2 hours completely on the meaning and passion, allowing the world to follow 12 language choice. Ensure the language use sound natural when spoken. On take you into record yourself speaking the talk first and use. Unscripted talk. In this style, the speaker does not attempt to recall a specific written script, but rather communication their points spontaneously in the moment, sometimes using notes for guidance. Benefit. A scripted talk often sound fresh, alive, and like the speaker is thinking out loud. Preparation. It's crucial to understand that unscripted does not mean unprepared. Preparation involves planning the journey the audience will take and creating mental notes or label to help guide the seekers of each step into the talk. Second, summary from how to start a presentation. The video emphasizes the beginning of a presentation is crucial for immediately capturing the audience attention. The speaker notes that most people focus on creating their guide and exciting what to say with how slides, regulating the most important part, the first word and sentence. Focus on the why, not the what. The presenter point on the most speaker use opening, such as today I'm going to talk to you about the problem with this approach is that it answers the one question, the what questions, which the audience usually knows already from the program or agenda. Instead, speakers should focus on answering the more interesting and vital question. Why are you there to talk about this topic? More importantly, why it's important for the audience to listen to you. The power of starting with a story. The key advice offered is to begin the presentation with a story to address the why question effectively. Start with a time frame. Story begins by adding the session with a time frame, such as yesterday, 2 weeks ago, or last yesterday. Use real story. The story should be beginning and relatable, for could be something that happened to the speaker, a conversation with a colleague, a customer, interesting attitude that was read. Link to the goal of telling the story. Connect a actuality to the presentation object using a strong link sentence. For example, no, why do I tell you this? Because my object with this presentation too. By starting with a story that clarifies the why, the audience will instantly understand the relevance of the topic, making the presentation much more and interesting from the very first minute.